This is a Paint by Sticker book kids edition, Unicorns and Magic. My kids love this book. We've used it while traveling. It's a really, really great type of book. You can see my children have already done a lot of these. It's a really great book to do when you're on an airplane or you have something where you can't really use tablets as much, or you don't have Wi-Fi or something like that, or you don't want them on screens. This is great also if you were in a car trip. You can see my kids have really done these already. So you're getting a really good glimpse of what patterns are in this book. There's the unicorn. And what I really like about this is that the pages actually are perforated so that you can tear them out if you wish. And this is what the pages look like that have all the stickers on them. So my kids have really cleaned this one out, but you can see that you just peel the stickers and then go back to the corresponding page to be able to create the pattern. And it's a really, really great book.